A lot of you guys are wanting to get into wholesaling, you're terrified, and this is going to be the easiest way to actually get started. What I suggest is you actually go work for someone in your market. That's right. We're not talking about competition, we're talking about collaboration. You say, hey, look, I'm going to offer a service to you, maybe teach me for free. I'm sure that they will also pay you for different services. The number one service I pay for all the time is a runner. Guys, what is a runner? You got a car, you got a phone, you're a runner. Simply meaning they just have you out doing tasks all day, doing different things. What kind of tasks would that be? That can be talking with a seller as far as maybe they need to sign something or they need pictures of the property. You can simply use your iPhone. There's no fancy equipment needed for that. Or they need somebody to go put a lockbox on a property or get a key for the property. Guys, I use runners all the time to do different tasks, and you're going to kind of see what those processes are like. You're going to start being less nervous to talk to people and to do different things, and there's no real pressure on you. It's going to be a, you do a task, get paid kind of job. The next one is maybe a cold caller and say, hey, look, give me your old leads, give me some dead leads. Just let me get practice, start talking to people. I'm learning, the different pillars, and I want to get some practice reps. Says, hey, guys call me and they say, hey, you want to take my dead leads and they want to split profits? By all means, let's do it, okay? And the next one, guys, is going and actually working for somebody, being their acquisitions manager or working in their acquisitions, saying, hey, look, I want to practice locking up deals. And that's the only thing, I'm really skilled at right now. I don't have a lot of money for marketing, but I really think I'm good at sales. I'm good at talking to people, and I want to lock deals up. I want to go in person. I can go out and lock deals up for you. And if you have different appointments, or even on the other side is dispoing other people's deals is a super easy way to get in it. Say, look, I'm better at talking to buyers. I really want to just work the deals on the buyer side and sell deals all day. I'm great at sales. I'm great at talking to people, but I really don't want to talk to the seller. I want to deal with just the buyer. I want to sell other people's deals. A lot of people make an entire career on just dispositions, on selling other people's deals. I think Keekly's entire business model is just selling other people's deals. But if you guys want to get started, you don't have any money, and you're kind of getting nervous, I would go find a local wholesaler in your market and go offer them these services today.